made this banana bread for my family and they kept asking for more. You see, this banana bread is very quick, it's delicious, it's fluffy. It does not require any machine for you to achieve this. So guys, I'll be showing you how to make your banana bread delicious and fluffy with just few ingredients. So here in a bowl, I added banana. Make sure your bananas are very ripe. So after you add in your banana, you mash it. You can use your fork to mash your banana until smooth. So now my bananas are smooth, and then I'll be going in with some melted butter. So here I'm using half a cup of melted butter and 1 large egg. Then I'll go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now I've added my vanilla extract, and then I'll mix very well until well combined. So now I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of honey. You can choose to use sugar if you like, but here I use 3 tablespoons of honey. And this gave it a very good taste as well. Then you mix it again until combined, and then go in again with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix properly, guys, and then sift in 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So now I'll be using my spatula to mix this. So guys, make sure you mix it gently. You can use the folding method so you don't overmix your batter. So guys, mix properly before transferring into your baking pan. So here I use the folding method to mix mine. Do not overmix your batter, otherwise it will come out hard and you will not like it. Now I'll be transferring this into my prepared pan. Always make sure to line your baking pan before adding your batter into it. So guys, I've transferred it into my baking pan, and I'm going in with some dark chocolate chips. So you can use any toppings of your choice. You can use almond or whatever thing that you prefer, but here in this video I used chocolate chips, and guys, this came out so good. It came out delicious. Yeah. So guys, after 1 hour that I put this in the oven, here is our banana bread. So good, guys. Will you be trying? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this method. It's very quick, beginner friendly. Yes, anyone can make this banana bread using this recipe. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share and like. Thank you all guys for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.